Hey guys, how's everyone today? Everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So Honda is doing something they never did before, and this is kind of Honda trying to be relevant and compete with the other main manufacturers that are already doing this and have done this for a very long time. Well, now they're trying to get into the same game. But like I mentioned, other manufacturers have been doing this same thing for many years now. So it might be too late for this to actually help Honda. But it is a pretty good offering. And I think a few of you out there will actually appreciate this depending on what vehicle you guys own right now. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what Honda just dropped and see what you guys think about this going forward. If it's something that's going to help them or it's just kind of like a last ditch effort by Honda to actually get some more revenue by offering this. But like I said, it's already been done for a long time now. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I'm talking about here. So like I said, this has already been done from other manufacturers many times, but what Honda is doing now is they're actually looking into the aftermarket parts world to start offering them alongside their genuine accessories now. So what does this really mean? Well, Honda is calling it the Honda Partnered Accessories. And what this is basically is that they're going to offer aftermarket accessories at the time of your purchase that you could have installed on your vehicle, or you can even have them put in the loan if you want to do it that way, so you pay it over time. So to give you an example, say you buy a Passport Trail Sport and you want to get some stuff done to it. You want to get some side rails that aren't the Honda ones, and you want to get maybe cargo carrier for the top of your car, and you don't like the Honda one. Well, now you'll be able to do that, because one of the items that they're offering are the Thule products. That's actually the first supplier that has joined the Honda Partnered Accessory Program. And if you do any kind of sports, you know that the Thule carriers are awesome. You can carry snowboards and all that kind of stuff on your car. It's one of the most popular accessories out there. Well, now you can get that from your Honda dealer. Get it installed right when you get the car. It's all in one shot. And if you want to finance it that way, you can, or you can pay for it, however you want to do it. So there's different options for you. And there's going to be a lot more companies that join this. This just got launched. So you're going to be able to get pretty much everything that you're wanting for your vehicle. If you're wanting to get a winch put on the front, not saying you're going to do a lot of off-roading, but if you did, you'd be able to do that too. So you don't have to do it yourself. You can get it just installed, and it's covered by the warranty as well. So that's probably a good part of it. But as time goes on, there's going to be more and more parts available. So next time you go buy your vehicle, you're going to see, instead of just you always see the Honda booklets for the OEM accessories or them hanging on the wall, that kind of stuff. Well, you're going to start seeing aftermarket companies promoting their stuff as well. So that's good to give you guys some options. And Honda's not the only one doing this. They also announced at the same time that they're going to carry it over to Acura, and it's going to be called, as you guessed it, Acura Partnered Accessory Program. So same type of thing. If you have a RDX, MDX, and you want to get a carrier on top, if you go snowboarding or whatever you want it for, you can definitely get that there and get one of the best aftermarket accessories for it, instead of just sticking to the Honda or Acura branded ones. I do like it, but like I said, a lot of auto manufacturers have done this for many years now. So it's kind of, I don't know if it's too late at this point, but like I said, if you're a Honda and Acura fan and you're going to keep buying their vehicles, it's nice to have something else other than just the accessories they offer that you can actually get at time of purchase, so you don't have to go aftermarket on your own and get it installed and all that kind of stuff. Or just get it financed in your loan too if you want to do it that way, so you extend it out, so it's a little easier to purchase. But I wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it's a neat program. See what you guys think about it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.